This is for you, Jeff. Ha! Ha! But will it throttle? I don't know. I actually haven't tested it this time. And I've got the other kind of O2 plug temporarily set in there, the heated one. Let's see if it'll take throttle. There you go. I'm going to try this self-cleaning feature. Supposedly if I shorten the speed sensor out a few times and then turn it off, I'm going to look and see if that little thing gets hot inside. Yeah, short the speed sensor down. I'm going to try to eyeball and see what happens. Well, I don't know if it's doing anything there. I can't see it getting hot. Oh, there it goes. It turned on. It turned on. It turned off. How about that? That is cool. It works. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.